is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are out here on the KLX today. It is mostly a dry day in Oregon, although it is a little cold. But today we are going to be trying to see if we can't get some top speed numbers, some official top speed numbers for the KLX with the Stage 1 mods here. But since it is a little cold, first thing I'm going to do is head to my gear shop first, and I'm going to get some base layers, or base layer, for my pants. Up top I'm pretty good. I got a bunch of layers up there where I can block the wind, but the pants kind of hard to do so. So I'm going to get a base layer with some wind wicking ability. I hope you all are having a great day today. I hope this video can inspire you to have some fun. I know I have fun every time I'm on the KLX, but with all that being said, let's go ahead, get to the shop, get to the bank first, and we will be on our way. So before we get to the highway part of this ride, testing the top speed, go ahead and leave a comment down below what you think the KLX will do. I think that it'll probably do about 92. If you're new to the channel, Stage 1 mods on the KLX consists of a header or exhaust modification, intake modification, and a fuel controller. Unpower related, I have a Smog Delete and 13-tooth Countershaft Sprocket. But within the last few videos I've been trying to get the KLX dialed in, and I think it is finally there. So now that that is out of the way, I can go ahead and try and test out the top speed. Alright guys, done at the bank. Now I can go ahead and get my base layer, and then we should be ready to go for the highway. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with some great motorcycle content, KLX content, and the occasional Corvette video. We do have some more mods coming for the KLX that you are not going to want to miss, so be sure hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest on the KLX. Alright guys, we got the base layer. Now we're gonna go home real quick, get that put on, see how it works out since I'm gonna be on the highway, and then we'll go ahead and get these top speed runs done. Under the overpass, you guys know the deal. You gotta make as much noise as possible. Of course, there's traffic getting onto the highway. Guess I'll be going through the city right behind some cops. Wow, 3 cops here. 1, 2, and then 1 getting on the highway. Guess we gotta kind of be nice here. Whoa, somebody got a ticket. Alright, got the cops off our tail. Alright guys, we're just about home, so I will see you guys back on the bike. Alright guys, just like that, we are back out on the KLX, headed straight for the highway. Got these wind wicking long johns on now. And my house was pretty warm, so I was working up a sweat, but just pulling out onto the road, I do not have any feeling of wind on my legs now, which is a good thing. That is something that really wanted to get taken care of. And so far so good. We'll see how it does on the highway. If you're wondering, I got the, I think it's called Freeze Out Warmer Long John, something like that. Basically they have a wind wicking membrane. I'm not sure if it's neoprene or some sort of vinyl rubber thing. Uh-oh. Somebody's in cuffs. But anyways, it also has a thermal layer, kind of like my Nike compression tights that I would wear for football. And it also has like a elastic foot band to put on your foot so it doesn't ride up your leg. But on the highway, not really feeling any wind. So once we get out of the city here where there's a little bit more open space, I will go ahead and open the KLX up. Right now it does feel like I'm kind of riding into a headwind, so hopefully when I get on the other highway there won't be as much wind because it'll be running across the highway instead of directly into it. Like I said, they're running 86 into headwind right now. We'll go ahead and take the inside line here on the loop. So before we get on the highway, personal best so far is 90 miles an hour. Like I've said in previous videos, it seems that the speedometer is off by about 7 to 8%, or excuse me, 7 to 9%. Alright, so we got a 93 there. Like I thought the wind would be a little bit better on this highway. We're traveling east to west. The wind seemed a little bit more severe on the north to south, south to north highway. We'll see if we can get one more in before we turn around and head the other way. 93 isn't bad, especially what I use the bike for. It's not like I'm commuting on this highway a lot. Alright, now we're going to chill a little bit in the right lane. So we got 93 and 90. We're going to take the next exit, go ahead and turn around and head back. But like I was saying before I hit that other speed run, was 90 miles an hour, 93 miles an hour. It isn't bad for my needs. It's not like I'm commuting every day on the highway here. Uh-oh, fuel. If I can top out at 90, 93 and use that to pass people if needed, that's okay. But cruising at an indicated 70 is all I really need. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can't find some gas real quick before we head the other way. Oh yeah, so far the pants are working well. My legs feel normal temperature, not freezing like they did with just the Nike compression tights. Alright, gas. Where's some gas? Looks like I see a Chevron up there. Alright, we are all filled up with gas, ready to hit the highway again. I'm pretty satisfied with 93. We'll see if we can't get a little bit more out of it. But if not, 93 is a good number. That's probably GPS speed about, I don't know, maybe 85-ish. Alright, here we go. Alright, so ran up on traffic a little too quick there to be able to get a speed run in. Going back east on the highway, it's kind of uphill. There is maybe one flatter portion. I hit 85 there when we started to go uphill. Alright, so 87 is what I got coming back on the highway before I decided to get off. Overall, I think the KLX did pretty well. 93 top speed. Hit 90 at least 3 times. So that's plenty for me for what I do. The main thing that I like is having torque and some passing power in the city, and then for the slower highways, some passing power. But overall, very successful in my opinion. As you guys have seen in my other videos, there's plenty of torque to be able to pass in the city. Got a little squeak there coming from that truck. See, I'm telling you guys, kids love to see motorcycles. So far the KLX feels pretty cool. Was beating on it a little bit. Then again, in the lifespan of this motor, this is probably nothing. Alright guys, well I think that is going to do it for today's video. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. Also share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 300 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough for the support on the channel. Building a good following of people who enjoy motors, motorcycles, motovlogs, cars, just going out and having fun. I think today that we found out some good information, some good top speed runs from the KLX. Useful information for those who are looking to go fast on the KLX. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.